The two leaders greeted each other in front of a line of U.S. and North Korean flags Wednesday evening in Hanoi at the Sofitel Legend Metropole Hotel to kick off their second summit focused on denuclearizing the Korean Peninsula. The scene was reminiscent of their first meeting last June in Singapore.
It's an honor to be with Chairman Kim. It's an honor to be together in really a country, Vietnam, where they've really rolled out the red carpet. And the first summit was a great success, and I think this one hopefully will be equal or greater than the first.
As the two sat down for dinner a few minutes later, Kim, through an interpreter, expressed confidence this second meeting would be a success. Before dismissing reporters, Trump agreed.
We're going to have a very busy day tomorrow, and we'll probably have a pretty quick dinner. And a lot of things are going to be solved, I hope, and I think it'll lead to really a wonderful situation long term. And our relationship is a very special relationship.
Trump and Kim were joined at the formal dinner by their top aides, including Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and North Korea's Foreign Minister Ri Yong-ho. A few hours before the dinner on his Twitter account, Trump dismissed what he called false reporting about the summit and said he and Kim would work out denuclearization, which he predicted would make North Korea an economic powerhouse. Jeff Custer, VOA News, Washington.